What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In our previous video I gave you an introduction to React.js. In this video I want to take you through how you can do the installation and how we can run our first Hello app in React.js. Therefore, the first thing you need to do, you need to install Node.js in our PC, whether you are using Windows or Mac OS. You can go to nodejs.org and then you can download the Node package. Do install it in your PC because most commands in React use Node commands. And then you also need to install Git. Git is just a version control system which has those commands when you maybe want to push your code to GitHub. We normally use commands from Git. So just do the installation of the two packages and then you can proceed with the installation. Now I want to create a new app in my current directory here. What I'll do for Windows, I'm using Windows. Whether you're using Mac, you can open the terminal. So here you'll open the terminal and then you need to create a new React app. So let me zoom in first. Now to create a new React app, you need just to say npx create react dash app and then the name of the directory that will hold that application. Let me just call it hello dash world and then I will press enter. Therefore, this process will take some little time because you need to download those packages and then bind them together in a common folder. Yeah, and then I will be able to run our application. So let the installation do, and then once it is done, I'll get back to you. Alright, now you can see the installation is complete. Now we need to get inside. We need to run cd hello world to get inside that working directory. When you go back here, you can see there's a new folder which has been created called hello-world. Now we need to move inside this hello-world by just writing here cd hello-world. Now you can see we are inside that folder now. Now I want to start this project using Visual Studio. So to do that, I'll just write code, then space, I'll just say code, space, full stop, and then I will press enter on my keyboard. This will automatically open the Visual Studio. Now you can see it has opened this Visual Studio. Now you will say yes, I trust the author. Now this is the structure of how React application looks like. We have here the node modules, the public folder, and then the source folder. So I want you to open this source folder, and here you can see we have the app.js and then the CSS which is used there. There are some files here which anyway, before I delete any file here, let me try to run this one. Let me open the terminal by just pressing Control backtick in my Windows to open the terminal, or you can just click here on terminal and then it will open the same terminal here. Then you say new terminal and then that terminal will open. Okay, to start this application, just need to write npm start. You just need to write npm start and then you press enter in your keyboard. So this one will start our React application in the browser, and we can see what is being rendered in our browser. Now you can see our new React application is running on localhost 3000. So here this application is running on localhost 3000. If you want to run it on your network, you can enter this address in your cell phone which make sure your PC is connected to the same network where your phone is connected, and then you'll be able to see what is being rendered here on our screen being displayed in your phone. Okay, so where does this content come from? Let me show you where this content comes from. Anything that is being rendered in our screen comes from this app.js. So app.js is like the main view of our application. So everything that you're able to see there, like edit, source and save to reload, you can be able to see it is here, edit. So it's being rendered from app.js. So I can get rid of miscellaneous files that I don't think I'll use them, like this setup, then report.web vitals, maybe the logo, because we need to create our new app, which is index, hello world I mean, sorry. So I can also get rid of app test.test.js. So I can delete these 4 files from here. Just click delete and then cycle. Okay. Now you will go to inside the app and make sure, because we are not importing the logo we deleted, just remove this statement from there. And also you can delete everything here like this. And then even this one, you don't need it. You can just leave it like that. You can see it, there's an error here because there are some files which are being imported which does not exist. Now we'll go to the index.js. I will get rid of these web vitals. So just delete, remove them from that position there. And then also you can delete this one. Yeah, this one I don't think you need them. Then you can save it. Now you can see we are being rendered a blank space because the app.js contains nothing. But if I write anything inside here, maybe like h1, and then I can give it maybe hello world, and then I save it, you can able to see hello world is being rendered in our browser. So that's how you can create your first React application. Let me just display this side by side. So if I write anything here, maybe a paragraph, and then maybe I write another paragraph here and say this is a new React application, then I save it, you'll be able to see it is automatically being rendered on our browser. So that's how you do the installation, and then that's how you create your new React project. In our next video, we are going to talk much deep about JSX components, how we can create our complex user interfaces in React.js. So in our next video, we'll talk about JSX. I know most of you are wondering what is JSX. JSX is it just allows us to write like HTML in React by converting the HTML into React components. Anyway, thank you and see you in the next video.